everyone, welcome back to my channel Soul Zeal Tantric Kaur this side. Today's question is, will you be rich and famous? Okay, so you can choose the pile based on what you connect with more. This is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, and this is pile number 3. Okay, so make your choice and I'll see you there. Pile number 1. Let's see, will you be rich and famous? So firstly we have justice. So justice here tells me that you require balance in your life. You want to be successful, but you want to give time to your personal life as well. And you are not ready to take risks is also coming to me. Maybe you have to open yourself up to more risks and take decisions, okay, without logic at times. Maybe just go with your gut at times. Okay, and I also feel that even if you get success, you will always have doubts and hesitations. Okay, so you might always doubt yourself, you might always have hesitations that you do not deserve these things, whatever is coming your way. Then we have the Two of Cups and the Five of Wands. So the Two of Cups here tells me that you feel sorry for other people. Okay, you easily connect with people, you empathize people, okay, and you start feeling sorry for them, and because you feel sorry for them, you let them step in your way. Okay, you let them just step on you. Okay, so do not do that. Okay, you deserve much more in life. Do not do that. And then you have the Five of Wands, which is also telling me that you are not a team player. Okay, you cannot work in teams because you cannot speak your truth. Okay, you are not able to say what you feel like. So maybe that is a problem you might face when you work in teams. And it also talks about you have to compete a lot, you have to work a lot to get success in your life. Success is not coming easy for you. And maybe you also feel you're not worthy of success, okay, and you just feel that someone else is much better than you. So have just faith in yourself, have faith in your own capabilities, I feel. Then I have Melissa. Trust in your own abilities. The same thing I'm trying to tell you. You have to trust your own abilities. You have a lot of potential, but you do not trust yourself. Then we have the Page of Cups. The Page of Cups here tells me you have to open your heart, you have to take some kind of emotional risks. Let your imagination lead you, okay? Do not just go by logic. You have to let your gut, your imagination tell you where you should go. And just trust your imagination. So trust your capabilities, okay? I feel you can do a lot more things if you trust yourself, okay? And you open yourself to all those imaginations and trust your imagination and just go forward with your imagination. So once you start doing that, I think you will be in a more better space. Then we have Full Moon in Aquarius. Show the world the real you. Okay, so you need to show the world the real you. Okay, you have to trust yourself, trust your capabilities. Then only can you show the world the real you. Then we have the Cardinal Moon. Be bold and make the first move. So yes, go ahead, do the first move. You have to take bold decisions. You have to work yourself. Okay, and you have to make those decisions. You have to step up and just own your own capabilities. You have a lot of them, you have a lot of creativity, but you do not trust yourself. So try trusting yourself. Then we have Strength and Ace of Cups. So the Strength and Ace of Cups here is telling me that yes, you can earn money, but you will require a lot of strength. You will require a lot of inner strength is coming to me. You might get money whenever you need it, and I think you have to trust your capability. That is a major lesson, major life lesson for you, because it involves trusting your capabilities. Trust yourself, okay? You have much more to offer to the world and to yourself as well. Though I think you can work on yourself by just opening your heart chakra. I think your heart chakra is very blocked because all the cards here talks about heart chakra only, okay? So I strongly feel you need to work on your heart chakra. You need to open your heart chakra and be more empathetic, okay? Be more empathetic with people, but with yourself as well, okay? You have to empathize with yourself. You have to understand yourself. And you have to let your imagination lead your way, okay? Because I strongly feel your imagination has a lot of capabilities, but you do not trust it. Trust yourself, trust your own abilities. It is very important lesson for you to learn. But I don't feel you will be very rich or very famous. But yes, you can be earning good. Okay, so you could be earning good, you could be successful to some level, but not very rich or famous, I'll say. Then let me pick some messages for you. Business messages, business advices for you guys. So I'm gonna pick two. If you want to be successful in world, you have to follow your passion, not a paycheck. Okay, so go for your passion. Go ahead and do what you are more passionate about. Okay, that is why you have to open your heart, listen to your intuition, your creativity. Then we have don't wait for opportunities, create it. Okay, so once you start following your passion, you can create opportunities for yourself. So I think pile number one, you might be a business owner strongly because you are creating and working on something you're passionate about. So I strongly feel you should start some kind of a business for yourself, and maybe that could be successful. Okay, so follow your heart. Do not let all these negative thought patterns create obstacles in your life. Okay, pile number one, that is what I have for you today. Like and subscribe to my channel. Pile number two, let's see, will you be rich and famous? So firstly, we have for you Three of Pentacles. So Three of Pentacles talks about working in teams. So maybe you are a team player. You are already working on building something which could get successful. It also talks about encouragement. Okay, it talks about encouraging to not give up. Okay, you are being encouraged by your family to not give up. Maybe your friends are encouraging you. You have a good connection with your friends who are encouraging you to not give up. I also strongly feel that you are a good team player. Okay, you can work in teams, and somehow that is going to get you some kind of recognition or success, I feel. Then for the obstacles, I have the Three of Pens, the Four of Swords, and the Page of Wands. So what these are telling me is that people might envy you. Okay, they might envy you because you have a lot of capabilities. You easily get opportunities. Okay, and people do not get that things easily. Okay, maybe you are some number 3, 6, or 9, I feel. Okay, maybe your life path number could be 3, 6, or 9, or your date of birth could add up to 3, 6, 9, because you are monetarily blessed, I feel. So somehow I think that monetary things would never be an issue for you guys. And I also feel that you have a lot of perfection. You do not lack perfection, but you lose in trust. Okay, you lose in trust in midway. Okay, you're doing something and you suddenly are very excited when you started, but once you reach to the fruition, to the finishing point, you lose interest. You lose interest in working towards that project. So maybe you need to work on that. Okay, and I also strongly feel you need some kind of education to further work towards your success. Okay, so to work towards some project, you need some kind of a knowledge, you need some kind of studies, it could be some kind of experience, it could be. Okay, so you need some kind of knowledge to progress further, which I feel you should take up, because that is going to pay you in long term. Then we have Ginger, be courageous. Okay, so you have that courage, you have the strength to move forward. Okay, do not shy away from going towards your success, towards your growth, towards your abundance. You can achieve a lot of things in life. Okay, so I strongly feel that you should work towards what you really want. I feel it would be more about teamwork. So if you're working in a team, I feel strongly that you have the capability of working in a team and achieving things. Okay, achieving things which a lot of people just think about. Okay, and maybe you are somehow taking this team forward. You are taking this team forward towards success. Then we have the Hermit. The Hermit here talks about introspecting, understanding yourself. Maybe you need to understand something from your past is also coming to me. Maybe some decisions you have taken in your past, you need to reevaluate those in your mind and take some learning from them. Okay, it could also talk about just self mastery. Okay, introspecting yourself and understanding more about yourself rather than about things around you. Maybe you need to understand how you can grow in life, you can work on yourself, or maybe who can work better in a team. Okay, maybe understanding what each person in a team can do. Okay, maybe you are the person who can think about those things, or maybe you are a deep thinker. You understand more by taking some time out and digging deep. Okay, and getting those answers. I strongly feel you need to meditate, because once you start meditating, you will have your answers. You will get whatever answers you need, because your angels want to give you those messages. Your angels are sending you those messages, and you are going to get all those messages. Then we have Council of Light. Divine orchestration, helpers in subtle realms. So yes, there are helpers for you, there are angels for you, there are soul family for you who are there to help you. So maybe you are already working with your soul family. It could also mean once you start meditating, you could connect to your soul family, okay, and they have the answers for you. Then we have the Great Gathering. It is all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. So yes, your soul tribe is around you. I strongly feel you are in connection with your soul tribe, your soul family. You're very deeply connected with them. And yes, you are all together working on something great, creating something big. Okay. Then we have Pleiades, double mission, challenging and uplifting humanity. So yes, you are working to uplift the humanity. You are somehow working on things which can help people, on a major level. Okay, it's not a small mission, it's a very big mission. I strongly feel you are born on this planet to create something which people could remember for long, which could help a lot of people. So pile number 2, you are here to do great things in life. And then we have 10 of Pentacles, 6 of Swords, and 3 of Wands. So what this is telling me is, yes, you will have a lot of abundance in your life, you will have a lot of wealth in your life, and it could also mean it could be an inherited money from your family. Okay, so you could inherit some money from your parents, your grandparents, or some uncles or aunts. You are going to inherit some money from them. And it also talks about maybe wherever you invest, you could reach a good return from there. Okay, so I strongly feel you are good at investing money, you are good at saving money, you're also good at achieving abundance in your life. I somehow feel money will always be a positive point for you. You can be rich, you can be very rich, I feel. And then with 6 of Swords and 3 of Wands here, I feel yes, you can achieve success in your life. You can achieve things where you will have to stand on a pedestrian and talk to people about it. So I feel you are going to be famous. You are going to be famous and you are going to be rich. So both of the things will come true for you in this life, but you have to work for it. I strongly feel you have to do a lot of effort, you have to do a lot of introspection, you have to move forward. So a lot of work needs to be done, but do not worry, your angels are there, your soul family is there to guide you, I feel. And then we'll have some success messages for you. So let me pick some success messages for you guys. So I have 3 for you. First is, the key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. So focus on your goals and not on your obstacles. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal. Okay, so work towards your goal, and obstacles are a part of it. Okay, success doesn't find you, you have to go out and get it. So it will not come to your door, it would not be easy. You have to work on it, you have to introspect, you have to work on yourself to get that success. So pile number 2, you are going to be rich and successful. Congratulations. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Chosen pile number 3. Let's see, will you be rich and famous? So firstly, we have the world for you. The world here talks about achievements, it talks about success, it talks about accomplishments. So I feel you are strongly going to achieve something in your life. You are working on something already, maybe, or maybe there is something which is coming to your life. I think something new might come to your life, and you would not be successful just on a national level. I feel you will be successful on a major global level. Okay, it would not be a local success, it will be a very, very big success for you guys. You will be successful globally all over the world, I feel. Then we have for the obstacle cards, Five of Cups, Three of Swords, and Page of Cups. So this is telling me that you have a pessimistic attitude. Okay, maybe you take things very negatively in your life. You need to release that. Okay, maybe you have had some failures in your relationship, in your career, or maybe it could also talk about just other people standing in your way, or maybe backstabbing you and you are really hurt from them. So let go of that hurt. Okay, that hurt should not matter that much in your life, because you will get success. You are going to get a lot of things in your life if you just release this, if you just move out of these obstacles in your life. Then we have Juniper, enlightenment and self-awareness. So what Juniper here is telling me, that you need to be aware of yourself, you need to enlighten yourself, you need to have this light-heartedness, you have to forgive these people, you have to move on. For whatever people are doing to you, karma will take care of that. Okay, karma will take care of that. You do not have to worry about it. So just move on in your life. You do not need to settle where you are right now. You have to move out of this phase. So then you will be able to do a new start in your life. Maybe currently you are feeling that there is no way out from here, but I strongly feel that yes, you can achieve a lot of things in your life once you become self-aware. Okay, once you become enlightened enough to understand what is happening to you is a process. It is a sole purpose you are here for. All this learning, these obstacles are all those learnings that you have to take before you reach to that successful point in your life. Then we have the Six of Wands. Okay, well, the Six of Wands here is telling me that you have to be positive. Okay, be positive and grateful for whatever you get in your daily life. Okay, just be grateful for your home, the food you have on your table, just having sunlight every day, breathing every day. You can be grateful for so many things in your life, but you are still stuck on those negative thought patterns. So you have to release those negative patterns and be grateful. Be grateful to every person who is there in your life, your parents, your partner, your friends, anyone. Okay, so just be grateful to them for whatever they offer to you. I strongly feel it is just your mental attitude that will create a difference in your success and your failure. Okay, so maybe you have to release those mental patterns which are not serving any purpose in your life. And then we have Amethyst Druzy. Do you remember your connection with great spirits? Are you reaching out in prayer, asking for help, amplifying your loving prayers and focused intentions for personal and planetary peace? Now is the time to set an intention to align with the divine through meditation, guided imagery, and prayers. So I feel you should connect with the divine through prayers, through being grateful. Okay, and Amethyst also talks about prosperity. So you are getting prosperity in your life. You are being protected from these third people who are hurting you, from all this crowd that is hurting you. You will be protected, okay, by your angels. So just pray to them, just connect with them. Then we have Aragonite. Aragonite says, are you ready to serve? Do you feel guided to start or resume yoga classes? Listen to and follow your inner guidance. Allow love into your heart and focus on finding a cure for all sufferings. Lovingly devote your energies to purification, meditation, and self-realization. So a lot of self-realization has to happen before you reach to that success. Okay, and this also talks about having strength. Okay, having that self-confidence, self-worth. So you have to create all this in your life. You have to create that support, self-confidence, self-worth, that strength that you can take over the world. So once you get that strength, I think you will be moving ahead in your life, creating that success in your life. Then we have the Four of Wands and the Nine of Cups, wishes being fulfilled. So I strongly feel all your wishes are going to come true. Okay, so everything you have wished in your life for will come true. You imagine it and you can get it. Okay, so that is truly coming for you, and yes, prosperity is there for you. And I strongly feel with the Four of Wands here, I feel you will be saving a lot of money, and that is what is going to create some kind of financial success for you. I do not feel though that you will be very rich. Yes, you will be rich, but not very rich. But you will be famous. Okay, I feel you will be very famous though, because I strongly feel if you want to be famous, you will be famous. It is what you want will come true. I strongly feel pile number 3, you are getting famous from something you will be putting energy on after some kind of self realization comes your way. So let's see what messages, success messages I have for you. I have 2 success messages for you. If you have no critics, you will have no success. So take these critics as a milestone of your success. If you have like 10 critics, you are doing good, okay? You're doing good in your life. Great things never come from comfort zone. Okay, so you can never achieve great things sitting at home. You have to do something in your life. Okay, you have to put your energies into something. So try putting your energies into all these potential opportunities you are getting towards your passion. Okay, so I strongly feel pile number 3, there is a good chance you will be famous in your future. So pile number 3, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel.